Good morning. I am at Oxford Parkway train station. I have just come back from New York, got dropped off at Oxford yesterday, and I was supposed to be going back in the car, but circumstances get in the way, so I won't be. So I decided I'm going to go by train, and I had a look at how much it was, and I'll do a map. I'll put a map on and show you where I'm going, and I've got to go from Oxford Parkway, where I am now, to Lincoln, and from Lincoln I'll get a bus. Now, if I wanted to do Oxford to Lincoln, it was going to cost me £43, but I remember you can do split tickets. So what I've done, I've gone online and I've gone to split tickets. I'll put the link in the comments, and I'm doing it for £23. Now, I'll explain how split tickets work a bit later. In about 20 minutes I'll be getting my first train. We're going from Oxford Parkway to Oxford, and you're coming with me.
Platform 2 is the 10:26 service to London Birmingham. Calling at this village. This train is for Oxford. The next station is Oxford.
I seem to have some very nice trains down here. So the next train I'm getting will take me all the way to Birmingham. Although the ticket splits at Leamington Spa. I'll explain that a little later. So even though it's the Manchester train, that will be train number 2 of my journey. And this one is coming to an end very shortly. Been very nice so far. Just need to find my platform for the Manchester train. And then I'll be on my way to Leamington Spa in Birmingham. Let's go do that. 10:38 Manchester Piccadilly, platform 4 via Birmingham International and New Street. Lovely, that's the one for me. And here comes train number 2, which will also become for me train number 3. Because this is where my ticket was split. Birmingham New Street, all been quite straightforward really, apart from the grumpy twats at Oxford trying to push you on even though there's nowhere to go. But no problem. Couldn't really film on that train because it was so crowded. So all I now need to do is go find my Nottingham train, which will be leaving in about 10 minutes. We'll board over here, let's go and have a look. Here it's a D61, Birmingham New Street to Nottingham, platform 10A, 12:09. It's on time. I better move because I've only got a minute or 2 to go. So 10A. It was that last train was running a few minutes late because of some freight.
My only concern is that,
but it looks like I can get this anyway. These action videos, marvellous, aren't they? Keeps you on your toes. This is not is it Nottingham?
No. Down there, mate.
All right. Okay. So I just missed one. So he was built for the Commonwealth Games. This is Ozzy the Bull. Ozzy the Bull, New Street Station. What about that then?
Attention please. Due to essential maintenance, the lift at the BN on platform 12 is currently out of service. The passengers require the
Just got off the train here at Nottingham. That's 1, 2, 3 together. This will be number 4. Number 3 really, but number 4. So now I've got to go onto platform 3B to get my train from here to Lincoln. Looks like someone was trying to knock me down with a stainless steel flask. I want to fill you in on the Split My Fare journey that I've just done. I'm just looking now. Actual costs was, I was charged £28.56 for my journey from Oxford Parkway to Lincoln, and it saved me £17.29. That'll be without any booking fees from anybody else. So by using the Split My Fare website, and the link is down below in the comments, you can save a lot of money. Now, it might seem it's a bit of a faff, but it's not. You will do the same journey that you'd normally do by just booking your trip. It just so happened that the journey I was doing was, I deliberately did it because it'd be a bit awkward trying to get from Oxford to Lincoln, and you'll see on the map that it is a bit of a convoluted route. You could drive, that's fine. Okay, it took me a couple of hours longer, but I'm travelling. It's what I was doing. It was great fun. I managed to make my bus as well, and I got a lift into the dark side of Lincolnshire where I live very easily. But the train journey itself was great, and the Split My Ticket business, there was someone on the train that was a little bit confused, and she actually had a word with one of the conductors, because she said, at Newark, oh, it says here that my journey ends and I've got to start again. She thought she's going to have to get off the train, but you don't. It splits your ticket, and it just automatically does the cheaper sections and puts it all together. Before you do anything, check it. Go onto trainline.com, put in there your destinations to their website to have a look and see how much it will cost you. Then use Split My Ticket, and you'll find that the journeys will be exactly the same. It's just that they'll put some curious start and finish points, because that's the cheaper parts. You'll get an email and it will tell you the full itinerary. So anyway, that's it. Split My Fare is a great way of doing it, of saving money and getting around. It also gives you a bit more of an adventure. So please like, subscribe and ring for notifications, and have a look up here because there's going to be another video. Have a look over here because there's going to be another video. And if you click this beautiful picture of me, that will then get you subscribed. So we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to make comments.